The washing machine has both programs as a washer and a dryer. You have basically on the upper side of the knob the washing programs and the lower side the drying, the spin dryer and the economic drying. First of all, you have to press on the round button to turn it on. Once it's on, you can select the specific program that you would like to use, such as wool, delicate, 15 degrees if it's underwear or sportive clothes, cotton, cotton, synthetic, or the quicker program 30 minutes. I would recommend you to use, if it's not full, the 30 minutes, or if it's full, either the cotton or the synthetic. Once it's defined, for instance, in this case, the quicker one, 30 degrees for 30 minutes, you have to press on the start button. Then, when it's finished, you turn it off, and you can select the drying program with the lower ones. Then it's off. You turn it on again, and you select the drying program. For instance, in this case, 20 degrees for delicate clothes. It's 1 hour and 50 minutes, 45 minutes at 30 degrees, 90 minutes at 30 degrees, and then again press the start button. Once you have finished, you have to wait till the unblockage of the door to avoid breaking it. Don't force it, please. Wait at least 1 minute before the opening, and after finishing, turn it off.